Hello everyone, welcome to a new disc golf video. Today I'll be playing an Anvil only round on the front nine at Dallas Island. I've got the VIP Anvil, which has been in my bag for a good while now. I'm really used to this one. I've got a BT hybrid as well that I'll be throwing in this video, a bit newer. And yeah, we're gonna play in the first 9 holes, Anvil only. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my. I almost aced that. Are you kidding me? If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I upload quite consistently and you see a lot of content like these one disc rounds, you know, preparing for tournaments, things like that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers in 2022. If you can help me hit that goal, that'd be awesome. Well, I know what I'm doing on hole 1 from now on. Like, this is gonna be my normal play. I almost aced it on a skip and I'm parked. All right, hole 2, I'm gonna go BT hybrid here, forehand around the right side. I really don't want much of a skip. The BT hybrid's gonna grab the ground a bit better than the VIP. Get left. It's a bit outright, but we'll have a putt. Let's go, good start. 2 down through 2. All right guys, we're right into the sun here. I apologize if you can't see too well. I'm gonna go BT hybrid backhand through the left gap. Hopefully it doesn't skip too much. Yep. Nice little soft skip, should be another birdie. Tap in 3. All right guys, definitely rushed through that last hole. I had to play through a group of 3. They definitely think I'm trash because that was a terrible shot, but we got this hole. I normally throw the Anvil here, so should be a bird. Oh, that sucks. Early release, kind of sawed it off. That's gonna leave us with a straight death putt that I'm 100% gonna full send run, because why not?
Nice. Thank you. Good putt.
Alright guys, this hole's literally straight uphill, kind of hard to film. It's gonna be a rip to get this there, but I'm gonna try. Oh, kind of terrible roll, but it's a putt.
luck to you. Yeah, kill it, man.
Thanks. My phone's at low battery, the storage is filling up. This is the 4th video I've recorded literally today. This is my 2nd round today. Dude, we're grinding. Dude, out of my hand. I thought I freaking aced it. Oh my gosh, I thought I aced it. Dude, that BT hybrid anvil is so money. I like it more than the VIP. It's just the feel in the hand is incredible. I really like it. Dude, I may buy another one before they're gone, because those are Nico anvils, and of course Nico left Westside, so I may buy another one before they're gone, just to have it as a backup. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, let's briefly talk about the Anvil. It's my go-to forehand approach disc. I love it. It's got a really good feel in the hand. It's beadless. It's overstable, reliable. I love it because it's got a good variety of plastic. You can get VIP, you can get BT, you can get really whatever you like. It has good availability, and I really like that. So, as I said, I may pick up another one of these because they're absolutely money. We're gonna try to close out the video, try to get a birdie on this par 4, straight uphill, then it goes to the right. This is gonna be a tough birdie to get with just anvils. I'm gonna go with the VIP off. Not bad. Gonna backhand this one, try to get a putt. Perfect. All right, guys, that is it. Anvil only round. I'll put my score on the screen. We actually played really well. I had a blast. The Anvil is incredible. Check it out if you haven't already, dynamicdiscs.com. That is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.